Okay, my friends, we're gonna go see a condo here. Now we're in Progresso. I got out of the car and it's so hot, my glass is fogged up. We had the AC so cold in the car. So anyway, guys, if you're new to our channel, we truly appreciate you coming along for this ride. And if you're old-time subscribers, we appreciate you even more. And if you're not subscribed, we'd appreciate it if you did. And hit that bell notification, please and thank you. Alright guys, the beach is just right down there. And then this is the apartment complex here, well, condominium. So again, we wait for somebody to come and let us in. This one here is secured. You gotta go in by key. I don't think we're gonna take this because we've already seen something that's a lot better. That's a house, which is kind of what we want. So I highly doubt we're gonna take this, but it might do until the house is ready, because the house is not available right now. So the house won't be ready till May 15th, I believe. No, August 15th, sorry. So yeah, the house isn't available till August 15th. So, and we're just at the beginning of April here, so this might do until then, but we'll find out. Anyway, my friends, you can see the beach is just right there. Literally block and a half. So
we have a sensor, right?
We have 24 hours people here watching everything, watching who's coming, who's getting out,
Ah, okay. After that, I show you this.
yeah, we would like to see the whole place. Yeah, we just seen here and we seen the pool, and we see.
I have internet, and the rooftop have internet.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we really liked it here. It was a Polish family that we met was staying here.
Very, very quiet.
They were from Canada too.
From like November, January, like March. They're very crowded of Canadian. We have a person, Canadian.
Oh, nice. It's ground floor. Perfect.
2 months here.
Very nice. I'm going to videotape. I hope you don't mind.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry.
Yeah. Excellent.
Please get in.
Oh, wow.
Please get in, please get in.
Oh, this is really nice.
Thank you so much.
This is really, really nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
We take care so much the apartment, and it's new. Really, it's
Yeah.
2 years.
Okay, we have a safety thing over here. Let me remove it.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
This thing is
Yeah. Yeah.
our
And
safety
not all
thing.
the
Excellent.
apartments have this area.
No.
This apartment has this area, like it's a private area,
Yeah.
and it's nice.
Yeah. So that's included. That's for this apartment. That's that
And we
table and
have
chair.
for romantic dinner, like
Oh, nice. Excellent.
Yeah.
And nobody would go. Yeah, I don't imagine too many people walk back here, eh?
Yeah.
Like this path's probably not very busy. Oh, wow. Very nice. So you have this whole back area would be your private backyard almost. I don't imagine there's much foot traffic through there.
it's less.
Yeah, very
It's
less.
not-
There's no other unit that comes out.
Yeah, there's no other
it's
units
very
here.
private,
So
this area, because you only is for this. There are three edificios, like
mm-hmm.
Three buildings? Yep.
yes. For example, in this area, nobody can buy, only the owners.
Owners,
And something rent.
I have to tell you the good things and also the bad things, okay? Because I'm very honest. Okay? So one bad thing is the fleas,
Oh yeah,
you know? So
the bugs. Yeah.
okay, so
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
flies, I don't know how to call it. this fly, okay?
Mosquito.
The mosquito, exactly. So
Yeah.
you know that this area is Caribbean and we
Oh
have
God, yeah,
mosquitoes, so
yeah,
because,
yeah.
you know, it's,
There's bugs everywhere.
So I put one of these.
Yeah.
When I am out, I turn on one here, one over there, and that's enough. And also I close the door.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Quickly, okay.
Yeah.
Get in, get out,
Yeah.
because it's
They'll be in
important
the
to
house.
tell you, because if not, the people say there are flies. Yeah, that's common, no? So
Yeah.
we turn on this,
Beautiful though.
and that's enough.
And we
Yeah.
have it for the hammock
Yeah. Perfect.
area.
Excellent.
And if there is some wind, all that helps for the mosquito, and it
Okay,
doesn't
come on.
happen anything.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Really nice.
This sofa also is a bed.
Oh, okay. Yeah. A sofa
If
bed.
you want to watch the TV, something like that over here, you only open it here.
It's a matrimonial.
Yeah. Yeah.
Open it here.
That's okay. You don't have to
Okay.
open it. Yeah. Oh wow, this is really nice. This should be easy to clean.
Yeah, and also, if you want, for example, once per week, they can clean all the apartment for 200 and like 300 pesos, and they come and clean all the house when you go to the beach.
Oh,
And
nice.
once per week, for example, once per week you can do it in order to.
Yeah.
If you want, no?
You
Yeah.
want that's
Yeah.
an option, no?
Yeah, for sure. Excellent. Yeah. Maybe once every 2 weeks. I'm the maid. I do all the housework.
Me too. Me too. I also like to do it, but if you did it.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. Nice big walk-in shower. Nice huge bathroom.
What is it?
Okay, we have gas included.
So we pay lights.
Light, we have included
I like this. This is nice.
700 pesos every 2 months.
It's a problem. It's a very usual.
700. For example, if you spend 800, you only pay 100, and I pay 700. So it's included gas. It's included the light for 700 pesos every 2 months. It is cheap. The lights in the beach. However, be careful. Be careful order to not to spend too much money, no?
Yeah,
And also
we pay our
the-
lights right now in Merida.
Okay. So the air
Yeah.
conditioner are inverter, are new, so it's supposed that they don't
Yeah.
spend a lot of money. Also, you have gas for kitchen, and also you have gas over here.
Oye, esto es
Okay, so that was pretty good. That's a really nice place. We're gonna go check out the rooftop patio. Now we'll just wait for our realtors there. It's beautiful inside there, that's for sure. But here you have a shared pool. There's no gym here. I like that this is on the ground floor. I really like that a lot.
This area has an internet.
Oh yeah, there's Wi-Fi out here, yeah.
We have a palapa. it's near to Progreso.
Yeah,
Progreso
yeah.
has many restaurants, and it's near to Mérida too. We live in Mérida. It's like a 30 minutes. You have Costco, something on the town. Here you have Soriana, Herrera here. This Chulchulo is a town,
Yeah,
like.
yeah, we've been there.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful view up here. Oh, and nobody up here.
You have for
Yeah, nice grill.
There's a bathroom over there also.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, nice. Look at this nice seating area.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and nobody's up here. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. Very nice. Wow. I like the anchors.
I thought there was a grill.
Yeah, it's over there, babe.
It's not a Weber, but we also have ordered.
Oh, that's pretty nice. Anyway, guys, my battery's gonna die here, so we're gonna sign out before I lose you. So that was it.
Sunset.
Thanks for coming along to the ride today, guys. We truly appreciate your support. Take care and God bless everybody out there. Peace out.